Okay, this is gonna be another elevator that serves another building at the Hotel 71 in Quebec City. Oh wow, look at this cab. Beautiful. And we got a Leclerc elevator. Look at this. That's cool. Here's your phone. Let's go up and listen to the motor. Here we are. Floor 4. Call button's still lit even though the door's open. RC. Again, very nice cab. Tiled floor. And there are your GAL fixtures. I'm gonna assume this elevator probably was installed in either the 70s or 80s. There's your interlock. And you know what? We'll take this for another ride. This traction, in case any of you are wondering. Percy. And here we are in RC. We'll send this one up and we'll see if we can listen to it go up. Can't really hear anything. This has got to be overhead. But, well, there it goes. And that'll be it.